The point is that it's so important and to gonna know about Israel because of the center of the world. Not only is Israel and Temple Mount and Jerusalem, it means that everything is happening in Israel. It's a laboratory of what's going to happen in the world because everything is, upon us, the accountability and responsibility. It means that whatever that we do not only influence all the humankind for the kindness, for chasadim, and everything, and the universal matters. Also, it means that we, as Magen David, what does it mean, the Magen David? As you see, the Magen David, it's a triangle. You see like that? Yes. This triangle, it's from Hashem, at the top, Hashem, bringing to all the nature. It means to all the nature. It's all the chasadim and the kindness and whatever for our living standards. But the nations that have the not we can say as a chosen nation, it means that the responsibility that we have, how to react to this action of Hashem Yitbarach. From one side, Hashem Yitbarach giving us whatever that we need, man kindness and nature and everything that we can live as a human being. On other side, that's what we do. This is the Magen David from this side. That means Israel. Yeah, we're gonna bring the brightness and Or Hamekiv and whatever that Hashem Yitbarach bringing to us like that, bringing to all the nature. But whoever that we are, the Israelis, it means not the secular Israelis. It means the Jewishness. It means the upon the halakha, the Jewish people all over the world. We have the accountability and responsibility how to react like that, how to react to Hashem Yitbarach will. Whenever that's Aseret Suncha Kirtzono, it means that we do our willing as well as Hashem wants, and how we know that the Hashem, what does it want? It's not only it's written in the Bible. It means that the Chachmei Hador, we have to learn it from the Chachmei Hador, whatever that's telling us, as well as I told before. We have four parts of Shulchan Aruch, and the common sense and logics and rationality is above all the four other parts of the Shulchan Aruch. It means, yes, we to gonna make this Magen David, that's gonna be like that, and we have to have responsibility to react upon that towards Hashem Itbarach.